Hey guys, you know there's something incredibly special about holding a guitar and being able to pick it up and play a song. You know, it doesn't matter if you got it from your grandfather or if you bought it yourself or got it from a friend or heck even got it out of the closet because you've never even tried to play it. Something powerful about that. But the problem is, too many people pick up the guitar, try to play, and get frustrated and quit. I'm Travis Perry, and I invented the ChordBuddy for that very reason. My daughter actually asked me to do it because she got frustrated trying to learn the guitar. You may have seen me on ABC's hit show Shark Tank, where I turned Robert Herjavec into a rock star in seconds. ChordBuddy is the world's best guitar learning system. It's the fastest and easiest way to learn guitar. Whether you're a grandpa or a kid or a grandma or a teenager, without a doubt you can learn with ChordBuddy. ChordBuddy fits almost every guitar, acoustic or electric, left-handed. We also make one for the classical guitar. ChordBuddy is a guitar learning system, and we have an app that is free. So download it now. It's got video lessons that go along with our lesson book. So if you're ready to start learning guitar, get you a ChordBuddy today. If you don't have a guitar, we sell the combo systems that has the guitar, the tuner, everything you need. Most of all, I want you to enjoy playing music and learning the guitar. What are you waiting for?